crafter section. Let's check out this section over here first. So here you have your Excelsior in the green and the natural, and then you have your fans, and then you have the clear wreath hangers. Then here you have your styrofoams. I use these guys to make risers. I'm loving these. Then you have some wax melts, which I think these are really pretty. And then you have some diffusers, styrofoams, or the foam, floral foams. And then we have the vases right here. Glue sticks, the smaller ones. We have the glittery markers. Then we have these squishy magnets. So they have the cupcake, the donut. And then we have these lights. These are the ones with the stars, and these are the regular white ones. Then they have these votives right here in the red. Then we have some washi tape. Okay, and here we have some dream catchers, guys. So they have it in the rainbow, and then that's the unicorn. And I think that's all I see. So here's some more of the squishy magnets, guys. Stickers. I'm absolutely loving their stickers. The rub-ons. Well, these are not rub-ons. These are regular stickers. So I don't want to knock anything down, but I think we have more than one kind. We have that kind right there, this kind, and that kind. So these are the regular stickers, guys. I'm just trying to see if I can show you some. Now these are the regular letter stickers. Those are the silver glittery ones, and these are the gold ones. Now these here, guys, right here, these are all the rub-on transfers. So let me show you. They have that kind, this kind. This is really nice. It says family, joy, strength, grace, embrace. And I think, oh no, there are different kinds back here. I just don't want to knock these down. Let's see. So they have that one there. It says USA, the Statue of Liberty. So they have two kind there. And then they have this kind right here in the gold. So they have the black and in the gold. Then you have this lettering. I'm loving that font. This one. Yeah, these are all the same. Then they have this. It's not beautiful. I love it. So then they have these assorted stickers. So these are just stickers, and they come in that pink and in that blue. I think I might have shown these already before. Now these are the stencils. They're not the adhesive ones. This one just says regular stencil. So they have the star, they have the kitchen one, and they have the helicopter one back there. Now these are the letters, guys, and they come in the different fonts. They come in that font and this one. Then they have these little ones here. These are called flexible stencil. And then this one over here is also flexible, and this one here too. And they have that kind. Okay. Now they have the owl, and this is self-adhesive. So some of them you have to watch. Some of them are self-adhesive. Then the stickers over here, you have the elephant, the giraffe. You have the trees over here, and the cactus, and the birds. The birds are so beautiful. And these right here, guys, are so realistic. Look at the detail on these. If you're into butterflies, those are absolutely gorgeous, guys. And you have the pearl stickers, the gemstones, and these are the dots. Then look at this. This is so beautiful. I'm loving that tree of life right there. So I'm loving these stickers, guys. Look at that. That one has the animals. Okay, then you have these, the snails. What else they have? Oh, look, the gummy bears and the balloon animals. So we have the pop-up stickers right here. That's the cupcakes. These are the butterflies. And they have this kind, and then they have this kind. So then they have these. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love those. So the sticker section is definitely something to speak of. Okay, so they have the wooden letters, and then they have this hanging star. And these wooden pieces are thick. Here's the round, and then they have this kind. Okay, and I'm loving this heart. Isn't that beautiful? I love that heart. You know, I think these things will make nice ornaments. And there's the cross. Now they have the butterfly cutouts, and they have these cutouts. They have the heart cutout, and then the flower. Here's the star, and here are the picture frames, guys. I'm loving the scallop, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. Okay. And then they brought back the black easel and the white easel. That's really nice. And here's the wooden cube blocks. Here's the butterfly. Here's the love and the peace sign and the trays. So here, guys, you have the animals. I think this is a moose. And here's a unicorn. And I think this is some kind of leopard or animal. And then this is a dog. Here you have the easel chalkboard and the stand-up one. Then you have the ones with the photos. Here's the flower, the heart, and the circle. And I think that's a butterfly back there. These are the wooden birdhouses, and here are these little boxes. You could do so much with these guys, and the pineapple. These guys, because they have a compartment inside. And they have the crosses down here. Here they have the animal ones. And here's a reptile, and here's a reptile, and there's a giraffe over there. You have your tea lights over there by the top. Here's the tea lights in the 3 sizes. You have those vases, the heart ones. Then you have the fishbowl vases and the bigger one and the smaller one. And then you have this kind right here. I love that one. And this one right here. Isn't that pretty, guys? Then you have the square ones, they're very stocked with those. Then you have the pebbles and the marbles. Then this one says, keep moving forward. I love that. My brain has too many tabs open. These are so cute. These moss stones. You have the natural raffia right there and the butterflies. And the butterflies, they come in colors. So you have that purple, that pink. I don't know if you can see it. They have that yellow one up there. I don't want to knock that down. So you have the moss balls over here and the smaller moss balls there. And then these are the vases. I love these. These are like the carafe. You can use those as vases. And then they have this kind right here. See it? They have it here in the green. They only have 2 bags left. And then they have the blue gemstones. I like the blue gemstones. I think I'm going to grab some of those. All kind of sashes up there. So here's the star one. Then here, these are the square ones. And they have this kind right here, this kind, and then they have this kind right there. So they have the 2 votive pack. And they do have my favorite, these iridescent ones right there. Now here they have the frosted ones. They're frosted in pink, blue, white, and that green. So here you have the liquid adhesive. This was the old packaging, this is the new packaging. And then they have the glitter markers, and then they have that foam, the art foam roller with tray. Then they have the tacky glue right there, and then they have the crates right there. You have some paint, and then you have some of these 11 by 14 panels, and here you have the stretch canvas ones and the smaller ones. The paints. This is from Rich Arts. There's only a few of those left. Prang is this brand here. It looks like they're pretty stocked on those colors. Then these over here, guys, are the washable paints. The wooden dowels, the felt numbers and letters. There's your glitter, your construction paper on the bottom, your fasteners, the detailing scissors. The magnets, here's the glitter, the sequins, and the 2 confetti. Then you have some beads. And you know what? I never seen these wooden beads before, so I'm going to grab some of those. And you have these. Oh, these would be nice to grab too. So here's your clothespins, and this looks like the next size up from these tiny ones. Then you have the pearls. You have the metallic beads right here, the letter beads. Then you have the googly eyes. And here you have the smaller glue sticks. Down here you have the popsicle sticks, and then the foam beads right here. This is really nice. This comes in handy for crafting. And you have the white candles and that yarn. I think these are really nice. I think I'm gonna get one of these for my daughter. She likes that. Then they have these right here, the rose collection. I'm sure. So you have, I'm not seeing anything new as far as the new candles, but this is what they have. I'll scan that for you guys. And let's look at these stickers here on the end. So they have these Toy Story ones right here. They have this kind of stickers. Guys, hold on, I'll put that back. What does this say? Honey vanilla. I don't think I've ever seen this honey vanilla. Okay, so you have these stickers and then you have these. Those are really nice, guys. And then you have these stickers. Look at this. The cupcake ones are so cute. You have the Mickey and Minnie and the unicorns, the princesses, and you have all of these. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the top Dollar Tree just to take a stroll through their vase section and their crafter spot there. And I'll see you guys in the next video.